the bait's frozen good. So today's August 18th, about 4 p.m. It's still sprinkling a little bit.
But after filming
Today's a great day to be on the river. If you're shore fishing, the river's coming up. It's up about 2 feet. So as the river comes up, the little fish come to shore closer to get the little bait they can eat, and then the big fish come real close to shore also to get them. So you only got to fish about 30 feet out, and you should be getting all the big fish because they're coming in for all these little guys. So we'll update you on more videos. And again, we're on the Ohio River. There's a Portsmouth Bridge, and we'll see how it goes today. To be continued. What we're using is just a piece of shad we caught down at the net on one of our videos. I froze them for later, and just a small sinker on the end, maybe a half-ounce finger, and I'm about 2 foot up. So when this hits the bottom with my line, it should drag out and float a little better. One thing you can do to make it float better, take your line, we're gonna make like a little leader on there. Fold it in half, go around your finger, just make a little regular simple knot, overhand knot, and then pull it out. And what that does is makes your fish float better. So now when the line's tight, your fish is out here floating instead of against the line. So when they pull on it, you're gonna feel it better. So that's the first rig we're gonna test. We might do some worms too and see how they go, but I think they're gonna be hitting these since they're running right now. And the water's up, so they should only be about 30 feet out, so we'll see how it goes. The rig I showed you with the shad got me the gar that have been swimming around here today. Seen him
That's
coming in.
a good size one.
Oh, he got the line. He broke it. That was a good sized gar though.
Yes sir, it was.
Oh, he didn't break the line, he just got off it. He chewed half my... Looks like James caught a fish down here, but I can't get to him quick enough. We got Roxy and Sebastian helping. That's a big gar.
Yeah, I know, I'm trying to keep him in. Put him in the pool.
You can carry him.
Put him in the pool.
We need a towel.
On my line.
Bear, get off. Bear, move.
Put him
He
in the
has
pool.
my line right there in his mouth, bud.
Put him in the pool. Put him in the pool. Oh, 'cause I out. Damn, he freaking wanted with him.
He's a good sized one though.
Put him in the pool.
I don't know, I can't hold the camera and do this.
I know.
Here, someone, Sebastian.
Put him in the pool. Put him in the pool. The pool's dead, so.
Yeah, I'm trying. Yeah, I was hoping that would come out.
I don't think you can open
It's gonna eat you. It's gonna eat you.
Good size long nose gar here. We're gonna do a little safety here. I got my stringer that I would use for smaller fish, but I want to make sure his mouth stays closed because those teeth, if he flicks them and gets you, you're gonna know it. So we're gonna wrap him up so he can't, and he can still get you. His teeth hang over the outside, so you gotta be pretty careful getting a hold of these guys. Okay, so now
We hook.
should I clean them off?
Yeah, look here. I'll clean.
Wait, let's wrap them a few more times. I don't want them to come off here before you let them back in the water. Make sure they don't come off there. It's just filming. We'll get a measurement.
You hope you do.
See how big he is. He's bigger than the last one. You can catch it.
Uh-oh, I think the camera's down.
Good. I'm watching him. He's really buddy though. Put him up on shore. His skin's like alligator.
Oh, way to
When
hook
you
on my
eat
butt.
him, it tastes like alligator. But we're not eating him. We're just putting him back and getting him.
Tastes like chicken nuggets.
What?
Okay. Now,
Touch him. He ain't gonna
it's
get
like
Nah,
an
thank
alligator
you.
skin. It's
you. He
big
won't
scales.
get you right now.
Who's got the tape measure?
Dude, that feels so cool.
Okay, let's see how. Hold him up. You gotta hold him up.
It's scaly but squishy.
We're
It's
gonna see how
weird.
long he is.
33.
Pull that tail down, Sebastian. Push it down to the tape measure. 38.
Oh, 38. That is bigger than the last one.
Just by a bit. Just by a bit.
We're gonna turn it on.
By 5 inches.
Pretty little bit.
5 to 6 inches.
Pounds. We'll hook it on that leader.
Yeah, you might want to hook it on that so you don't have to put it in his mouth.
You can feel his teeth sticking out. Okay, now let go of the leader. Let go. Oh. He's
4 or 5 pounds.
yeah,
somewhere around
about
there.
almost at 5. Right there, 5 pounds. He's when he stops wiggling.
4.
So we'll put him back in here while we're on camera.
4.91.
Oh, let me touch it again.
Let me touch it again.
Fish are fine.
So we got to get the string out of his mouth so he can open his mouth later, or he'll die. We don't want him.
Holy fuck, I thought their teeth could cut through that.
So you're between his teeth.
Yeah,
That's why that rope.
That's pretty lucky.
Okay, someone put a stick there so I can hold his mouth open.
Grab the nearest stick.
For the pliers on the bottom one.
wait, right
Yeah,
here.
hold that one down so I can get this. I'm just trying to get this line off there. Okay, he's free to that. So we'll let him go back in. We're gonna get a good shot of him. He's really dirty. Hold on, hold him this way. You gonna get in there? You gonna do one?
No, I ain't gonna do one.
What did we say he was? 38 inch, 5 pound.
38 inch,
Fun to catch.
Okay, I'm gonna find me a big.
Yeah, we're gonna put him back in and let him come back for another day. Yeah, hurry up, Bear. You're on my line. Back up. Hurry up before I put him. He's gonna go back in.
I'll see it swim away.
That's a pretty good sized fish.
That
Okay.
looks that's so cool looking. Oh wait, it's back on the surface. He's saying hi. He said hi.
Let's see if anything.
Say goodbye. He came to the surface and said goodbye. That's right where he.
Drag him right on the shore.
Drag him right
Go ahead, start recording.
I did already.
Okay, so we got a little gar this time.
It's a mini.
That's the
Hey, don't
first,
touch it, don't touch
I
it.
think that's the first gar he's ever caught.
No.
It is. Bear, move. That's a baby. He's probably, I don't know, a year or two old. I'd have to look them up to see how big they get. They see. Watch out, he'll flick on you. Let me get the scale and measure the shape.
Sorry, guys.
Hey, somebody come hold this.
I'll hold it. You
I
record.
want to hold the fish.
I hold it. You record. Okay.
How do I just push what button?
It's already recording.
Oh, okay.
But
Sorry guys, I'm not really a
So
cameraman.
he's not that strong, so you can pick him up, but you got to hold him firm like a snake. So you want me to hold the
Where-
camera?
do I hold him right behind his
So
head?
you're gonna grab one behind the head and one on the tail, front of the tail. And you gotta hold them firm. They can wiggle like nobody's business. Let me put the camera back in normal zoom here. Hold them up in front of you. You gotta hold them so you can see the fish.
Will you watch off?
Okay, he looks pretty cool.
Will you watch off?
Like I said, he's a little baby. They're kind of cool looking.
What is this?
You can see their teeth.
His tail looks pretty cool.
And he's got like a leopard tail. So we'll get him unhooked and get him back in the water here.
Well,
Another good catch. Good job, man. First gar.
will you watch him off?
We'll get the measurements. He'll be right back.
Watch him off so I can take it. Hey! No. Oh, fish, fish.
He is slimy too.
Yeah, and
Let me get some of that water from my fingers. Okay, before I touch my tape measure. That's good, right on my boot. Let's see what we got.
Hey, I'm trying to watch him off.
We got a 26 inch. And we'll see if we can get a tape scale on there. We turn the scale on. Probably not even a pound. Watch out, Rocky. Actually, watch out.
Trying to watch him off.
Roxy, quit pouring water on him right now.
I got a scale down there, Rocky. Stop. Please stop.
And
You're making him jump around. Let's see if I can get him this way. Oh, he is 1 pound, 1 3/4 pounds. So he's okay, but he's a juvenile. I'll have to look up and get more information on him. So we'll let him back in.
1 pound, 73 ounces.
will you watch him off so I can take a picture, Dad? A clean picture.
Can I let him go?
Yeah. So tonight we were, I noticed when we were using some of our bait, we're using some greenback minnows too. It seems like when they were, they liked a 3 to 4 inch shad or greenbacks. If we put a large shad on, they wouldn't take it, or a piece, they wouldn't take it. So I'm on. It's the end of the night. We got about 15 minutes left out here. It looks like instead of catfishing, we're gar fishing tonight. We've got 3 gar caught. And he's getting a hit, so he might have another gar on there. They seem to be swarming about 30 feet out and just going up and down the channel here. But unless you catch another fish, we're calling it a night. Oh, actually, one just surfaced right here on camera, right there. Did you see him? So, if we catch another one, we'll get them recorded for you. But as far as I know, that's going to be the end here. We got 15 minutes left. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video here on Hooked On, our family channel. Please like and subscribe. Click the little bell to get reminders. Our goal is always to get more subscribers. To hit 1,000 would be awesome, so help us out.